This is a tank-like prototype in which different sensors are dipped. This is the conductivity sensor, pH sensor, temperature sensor, turbidity, motor and water level sensor. We can see this is the camera which is fixed just above the tank, which is used to capture the images from the tank. This is a setup in which the entire connections of the system is made. It has different indications like water level low, pump on, water level high, pump off, temperature high and temperature low. We can see this is the LCD display where we get the readings of our sensors. The microcontroller used here is Arduino Uno Wi-Fi Rev 2. Now let's have a look on the mobile application which is developed with the help of the MIT app inventor. This is how the mobile app looks like. The name of the application is Deep Blue. When I open the app, we get login and sign up page. So first we will log in to the application by entering proper credentials. Once I enter the credentials, I click on login button. We get a prompt message saying login successful. Then I'll click on go to dashboard. The dashboard helps us to navigate through different sections like sensor data, daily analysis, weekly analysis, monthly analysis and yearly analysis. I'll click on sensor data. Here we get an option to view all readings which will help us to view all the readings from the sensors at once. If we want to view individual sensor reading, we have different options like pH, turbidity, temperature, conductivity and water level. I'll click on view all readings. Here we can see the readings from all the sensors at one page along with the E. coli predictions. I'll click on back button. Now if I want to view individual sensor readings, for example pH, I'll click on pH. We can see the pH analysis is shown where we get the readings and the graphical analysis, indications like high and low pH and the prediction analysis which is done with the help of the ML model. Now I'll click on the back button and click on go to dashboard. Now we will navigate through daily analysis which will help us to view the average readings of all the sensor on daily basis. Now we will test pH sensor to see its indications as high and low. Here I have two solutions. The first solution is the lemon water solution and second solution is the baking soda solution. Now I will dip this pH sensor into lemon water. Now when we dip this pH sensor into lemon water, the pH should go low. Now we can see the pH is 4.10. Now next we see the indications for low pH. Here in the mobile application we can see low pH is indicated with the help of the yellow light. We can see we receive the SMS notification saying alert, pH of water is low, pH of water is less than 6. Now in the similar manner we also receive the email notification saying the event name pH low occurred. The pH low, pH of water is less than 6. Now in the similar manner we also receive the email notification saying the event name pH low occurred. pH low, pH of water is less than 6. When we dip the pH sensor into baking soda solution, the pH should rise. Here we can see the pH is 9.27. Now we will see the indication for high pH through our mobile application. We can see in the indications part of the pH, in the high pH section, the red bulb glows which indicates that the pH of the water is high. Then next we receive the SMS and the email notifications for the same. Now next we will see the indications part. Here we have the indication for high pH showing that the pH of the water is high. The red bulb gets turned on. At the same time, we receive the SMS as well as email notification. We can see we have just received an SMS alert saying that the pH of water is high. It is greater than 8.0. This is the SMS notification which we receive. At the same time, we also receive the email notification. We can see we have received an email notification saying pH high, pH of water is greater than 8. This is the login page of our website. The login can be done with the help of the OTP verification. We will enter credentials like email and password, and we will click on the login now button. When we click on the login now button, we get directed to the home page of our website. It contains sidebar which has different options like home, help, camera, image analysis and the logout button. The dashboard has different sections like sensor data, daily analysis, weekly analysis, monthly analysis and yearly analysis. When we click on the sensor data option, we can view the readings from all the sensors together in the one page. The sensors are pH, turbidity, temperature, conductivity, water level and the E. coli readings. To view more details about the particular sensor, we will click on the View More Details option available here. To view more details about pH readings, we will click on View More Details option. We can get different options under pH analysis in this page. We get the readings, the graphical analysis, indications like high and low pH and the predictions which are done using the ML model after every intervals of 20 seconds. Now next I again direct to the home page of our website. Here we will click on the daily analysis option. When we click on the daily analysis option, we get the average reading of all the sensors on daily basis. This is the daily analysis of our website. Now next I will navigate through the help page of our website. This is the help page of our website. Here we get an option for the language translator. Here we will select the language in which we want to translate this page. Suppose if I select the language as Hindi, we can see the entire page gets translated in the Hindi language. Now here if I again click on the show original, again the page will be translated in the English language. This is the camera setup. The camera is placed above the tank in such a manner that we can capture the images from the tank, and these captured images can be used in the image analysis. Next, we have an option to click on the camera. When we click on the camera, we get redirected to ESP32 OV2640 link. Here we can see the setup of the camera which we have done to capture the image from the tank. Here if I click on the start stream option, I can see this is the image which gets displayed. Now when I click on the save button, the image gets saved in the form of the JPG format. Again if we redirect to the admin dashboard panel, here we can see we have the option to view the image analysis. Here when we click on the image analysis, we get an option to choose file. Here we will choose our downloaded image and we will click on the analyze button. Here we can see we get the analysis as the water is clean. But for example, if we have some of the unclean water, then in that case again we will choose file. Here we can see we have different observations detected and we can conclude that the water is not clean. Again if I try to take the image which is captured in the dark from the tank itself. and I analyze it. By clicking on the analyze button, we can see we again get some of the observations, and we can see the water is not clean.